Gonna have to take out all of those bolts, 10mm, and scrape around where the liquid gasket was. From the other angle, most bolts are easy to do, it's just hand tight. Something to keep in mind when you are removing the oil pan is you're gonna have to get a small screwdriver, but you don't want it to press too hardly. I just continue to crack the seal slow and steady. While you're in there, I took off the transmission, skid plate, a couple other plates covering, and pressure washed them. Use a straight edge to scrape the bottom. So, hopefully you can see this is the inside of the oil pan. I went to town with the razor blade all around, and what I've noticed is Japanese just know how to make this car, but there are small grooves along this whole entire pan that actually let the liquid gasket make a complete seal. So try and restore it back to its original as much as you can. And apply within these ridges. This is a really shitty angle, but the biggest nuisance of this job is going to be tightening all of those bolts. I think there's about 18 of them or 21 of them.